Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will guide you through creating a pipe clamp according to DIN standard 3567 type A. We will be using a reference table to specify dimensions, so let's dive right into geometry setup. We will start by opening Revit and creating a new family using the generic metric model template. The geometry will be built from the front view, since this clamp will later be used as a part of other support types like pipe shoe and guides. To begin, let's add two reference planes to indicate the width of the clamp. Add dimensions to it and a label as W. Switch to the front view and add additional reference planes to mark the outer edges of the geometry and the bolt holes positions. Here we will add labels to our dimensions. Label one as A for the distance between the bolts and another one as AC for the clamp's main width. Now we will define the distance between the two half clamps and label this as T. Let's start by creating the top half clamp and mirroring it to form the other half later. We will use a sweep tool to draw the geometry, specifying the diameters and radius of the steel bendings. I will label the radius as R for clarity. Next, we need to define the clamp's main diameter. Before that, we will align and center the markers properly. This ensures accuracy in the measurements, so we will use the center line as a reference. Once aligned, I will label the main diameter, reducing the view scale to check for accuracy. Now let's create the clamp profile. We will use the previously defined clamp width, the distance between the clamps, and add a new property for clamp thickness. Make sure to link the profile dimensions and parameters. When we try creating the sweep, if there is any issue due to the small size, increase the dimensions slightly and proceed. Once created, we will mirror it for the second half and connect the center line for symmetry. Let's check the profile to ensure everything aligns. I see we are missing one dimension for thickness, label it TH. I will link it now to complete the two half clamps, and with that the basic geometry is set. And don't forget about bolt holes. Next, it's time to set up our lookup table. I will load a prepared lookup table that includes nominal diameter, pipe outside diameter, clamp size, and other essential properties. Save the table as CSV file and remember to use a comma delimited CSV. Once saved, load it into Revit. In the properties, assign the lookup table name to ensure it reads the correct data. To complete our setup, we will add properties from shared parameters, including nominal diameter and item description. Now let's connect the lookup table to those properties, using a size lookup to fetch values from our lookup table. For the outer width AC, we will set it as a calculated value, A plus C times 2. In the last step, we will add connectors to the clamp, assigning the primary connector as needed. Change the category to pipe accessories and configure it as required. Once done, save this clamp family and load it into the project to test how it performs in different scenarios. And there you have it, a completed pipe clamp family according to DIN 3567 finished. And thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more Revit tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.